You are going to love the 2025 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, fog lamps, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.